today I'm going to be doing, I guess, a Sunday reset. I'm going to get back into filming a few long form videos. I ended up getting my comforter dirty the other day, so I gotta clean it. And then my baby ended up peeing on the comforter. I have a few dishes to wash. I have to wash my baby's jars, and I think I have a bottle in her toys. And I'm gonna make her some carrot and rice puree. I'm so ready to move for multiple reasons, but right now I'm just speaking on it's just too much going on in that room. She has a lot of stuff, I have a lot of stuff, and I'm a very clean and tidy person, but it's hard to keep it clean and tidy and neat when there's so much stuff. So last month, October, was really, really good for me financially. I got my first paid collaboration in a very long time, and it was some good money. I've been getting a lot of emails. I'm just hoping and praying that some of those go through. I actually just had somebody email me about another paid collaboration, so we're gonna see what they're talking about. But yeah, I'm hoping that things continue to go good and I can get this car paid off and get out of here because it's time. But yeah, I need to vacuum my floor because it's a mess, and I'm gonna just try to tidy up as much as I can. Hope that this motivates y'all to get up and clean as well. All right, so I got her carrots steaming on the stove, and then this is all the stuff that has to wash for her. And then I have some regular dishes that I'm about to clean.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller.
It's done. She just woke up. I was just about finished washing her stuff up. I just had 2 more spoons, and her carrots should be soft now. I think I made a little progress while she was knocked out. Now I'm about to get her food ready so that she can have some vegetables. She already has pears and oatmeal, and I think she has 2 more things of banana oatmeal, and then we have carrots and rice. And then I might go to the store this week and get her some new stuff that she could try. You see your carrots? Look, you see your carrots? I'm about to make up her food really quick. I put some of my stuff in the dryer. Oh. Nice and soft. You still sleepy? You still sleepy? You are. Really? You could have stayed asleep. Ain't nobody tell you to wake up. Ain't nobody tell you to wake up. Little girl. The video for how I make this is already up. My baby loves this so much.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, I've been thinking about you.
So here I am feeding my baby, and it is so crazy how fast she is growing up. She's about to be 6 months really, really soon. Every time I think about it, I get emotional because time really moves so fast. Like, when people say you really got to enjoy this time because it moves fast, they were not lying.
Hey, that has nothing to do with you.
She loves carrots and rice.
Patches. And then from
I love watching her eat because she does not play. Definitely get that from me. I do not play when it comes to food. These are basically the rest of the diapers that I got from the baby shower. I think I have one pack of a size 5 that my brother bought. I don't know why he bought that big size, but hopefully I don't have to buy any size 2 diapers. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm about to fix it up and put the wipes and diapers that y'all saw in the car up here as well. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. If y'all want this, go on my Poshmark. I made this a bundle. It's real affordable. Go buy it. I'm gonna put these wipes in the room with the Pampers that she's gonna be using right now. But yeah, everything else is up here and it fits perfectly. The bin is now restocked. It is full. So I'm about to vacuum. Y'all can kind of see, got some hair on the floor. Here go my baby. It's a mess. This is where I do my hair at, so I've got some hair right there. About to vacuum it all up. I put this stuff up. It's not too bad, but yeah, I can't continue living like this for too much longer because I like for things to be very clean, very tidy. So we got to get to working even harder so that we can get out of here. Gotta vacuum here, right?
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now.
Might look a little crazy, but I fried some wings and then I put some Kinder's sticky honey barbecue sauce on them. And I'm about to eat. Y'all, I am so tired. I did a lot today, but my room looks so much better. So this is how it looks in here now. So much better. And back there is clothes that I'm selling. So that's gonna have to stay like that. It looks cleaner in here, more spacious because I moved her little seat and her other toy out the way and put it over there. So now we have more walking space. This is definitely a good Sunday reset. I am tired. So I'm about to try to get this little girl to go to sleep so I can have some quiet time.